made from, reimagined, a few cool prompt tips, and the user interface. These are the topics I want to show. In two parts. This is number one. There are days when you are simply amazed about AI and what's possible with it. What I want to show you in this video is inspiring and might make some of you smile. Why is that? That's exactly what I want to demonstrate in this tutorial. See you on the Midjourney website in a moment. Today, I'm going to show you 40 creative examples on how you can build objects or animals from very unusual materials. The really exciting thing is that there are no limits to your creativity. But before we get started, I would like to introduce you to a small shortcut regarding the interface. Midjourney recently implemented a smart solution that speeds up image editing considerably. It works as follows. In the past, you had to click on an image to make further adjustments. Afterwards, you were able to use the individual control elements in the editor, which you can see here at the bottom right. Some of you may not have seen all of those different functions expanded yet. If you click on More Options here, you can activate the individual functions. That was the previous approach. In other words, you had to go through several somewhat awkward steps. The better solution, let me move the cursor over this image here, is to click on it with the right mouse button. Then you will see that this interactive interface appears. These are exactly the same functions as you have just seen. For example, vary, upscale, remix, zoom, pan, and other functions. You can also use the prompt, the image, and the style here. This allows you to hide or show your own images as required so that only the preferred image is displayed in each row. This makes the workflow a lot easier. Let's get straight into part 2. This is about creating objects creatively. I talked earlier about how Midjourney and other platforms like Flux, Ideogram, or similar are not only there to work with, but you can also try out some things that don't exist in reality. In the current case, I took a dangerous predator. I'll click on it here, and you'll see it, and transformed it with completely different materials or substances. I would like to show you this process. In other words, I use this prompt. Let me click on it for a moment. You can see it here at the top. A T-Rex made from human hair. Made from is the trigger word, so to speak. This means you can use a wide variety of materials or substances to model the object of your choice. In the next example, a T-Rex made from paper. Then, a T-Rex made from smoke. If you look closely here, you can see the uniqueness of Midjourney. I also tried and compared this with other AI models. Some of them still have a lot of room for improvement. In other words, Midjourney is and remains an excellent choice. Then we see a T-Rex made from cotton. A T-Rex made from cork. I find that very funny because the T-Rex comes across as likable and cuddly. A T-Rex made from denim, this blue jeans fabric. A T-Rex made from leather. This example is also very interesting. A T-Rex made from watermelon. This T-Rex, on the other hand, looks a bit mean. A T-Rex made from chicken feather. A T-Rex made from liquid lava. A T-Rex made from snow. Something sweet should not be missing, of course. A T-Rex made from Smarties. A T-Rex made from cucumbers. You may have seen my music video about the Cucumber Brothers. That's of course not meant seriously. It's just for fun. But the video fits the cucumber theme very well. You can watch it to see how I combine Suno, 11 Labs, and Runway. But don't take it too seriously. A T-Rex made from steel. A T-Rex made from coal. A T-Rex made from broken green glass. A T-Rex made from polyester. A T-Rex made from sisal. By the way, you can always see my details below so that you can try it yourself. Just give it a try. A T-Rex made from milk. A T-Rex made from white sugar. Here is the example, wires. Then, bound from black, red, and white cables. This example is also very interesting. If you look closely, you can see in detail that these are ants. In other words, a T-Rex made from ants. That's also very exciting. It whets my appetite right away. A T-Rex made from fries. You've already seen this video at the beginning. A T-Rex made from mashed potatoes. It actually looks quite tasty. The only thing missing is the sausage or chicken fillet. Then, of course, there's the spaghetti version. What do you need for spaghetti? Molten cheese, of course, for the pizza, for example. A T-Rex made from molten cheese. Then there's the sweet dessert, a T-Rex made from whipped cream. This is followed by a T-Rex made from wood. If you take a closer look at the details here, it's absolutely amazing how Midjourney implements this without adding further prompt information. I really only entered this short prompt here. Imagine, I then also use the upscale program to enlarge the images. This workflow is absolutely great. Then, a T-Rex made from dirt. This is followed by a T-Rex made from blueberries. In this context, a cheers to the guys from Black Forest Labs, who tested their new AI model called Blueberry. A T-Rex made from trees. A T-Rex made from neon light lamps. A T-Rex made from cotton buds. That's what you use to clean your ears. A T-Rex made from coins. A T-Rex made from carrots. A T-Rex made from water. A T-Rex made from colorful leaves. A T-Rex made from chocolate. And a T-Rex made from marzipan. I hope it was a bit of fun. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and recommend it to others. Thank you very much for listening. See you soon. Your channel, AI. Now you know.